There are plenty of cars to be excited about for the rest of 2022, but manufacturers plan ahead of time so we know what to expect in the coming years. In our Best New Cars Roundup, we reveal what the top automakers will be up to in 2023 and even further down the road. As expected, electric vehicles dominate this list, with a number of brands looking to expand their EV offerings, including Hyundai with its Ioniq lineup and Renault with two new homages to iconic models from the past. By 2030, every new car sold in the UK will be electric, and we're witnessing this unprecedented shift unfold in real time. If you're a pure petrol head, don't worry, there's still a V8 or two in the mix. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Number 1. Alfa Romeo Giulia EV. The next generation Giulia will have to fill some big shoes, as the current model is one of the most desirable compact executive sedans on the market. However, Alfa is taking a risk with its replacement, developing an all-electric saloon to compete with models like the Tesla Model 3. The Giulia, which is based on the upcoming STLA large EV platform with an 800V architecture, promises a range of around 500 miles and an 80% charge in as little as 20 minutes. A twin-motor, four-wheel drive quadrifoglio version could produce up to 900 bp and accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 2.0 seconds. When you consider the sleek looks and engaging driving dynamics, it'll be a surprise if this Alfa isn't a class contender. Number 2. Alpine R5. Alpine will reveal a go-faster version of the forthcoming all-electric Renault 5 in 2025, which will be a treat for fans of fast French hatchbacks. It's been nearly 5 decades since the sports car manufacturer first worked its magic on a beefed-up version of Renault's original Super Mini, but this all-new model is ready to turn back the clock. With a 215 bp electric motor driving the front wheels, it should reach 62 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. There will also be a wider track, lowered and stiffened suspension, and an exterior that pays homage to the mid-engined Renault 5 Turbo of the 1980s. Number 3. Aston Martin DBX Coupe. Given the DBX's success, it's no surprise that Aston Martin is working on a sleeker coupe version. The low-profile Aston off-roader, inspired by its arch-rival, the Porsche Cayenne, promises to be even more thrilling to drive than the standard car. The coupe shares the same front end as the SUV, but it has a lower roof that flows down into a wider, more purposeful rear. Under the hood, expect a more focused suspension setup that provides sharper handling without sacrificing comfort. A plug-in hybrid engine is in the works, as is the DBX 707's 697 bp V8. This high-performance flagship could reach 200 miles per hour when combined with the coupe's more slippery aerodynamics. Number 4. Audi A6 e-tron. Audi is charging ahead with its EV future, with 20 new all-electric models due in the next 3 years. Following the Q6 e-tron, the A6 e-tron was previewed in concept form at the 2021 Shanghai Motor Show. The A6's 100 kWh battery and slippery 0.22 seed aerodynamics promise a range of up to 430 miles and a sleek sportback coupe-inspired design. There will be rear-wheel drive and quattro four-wheel drive variants, with the performance flagship claiming a 0-62 miles per hour time of less than 3 seconds. Number 5. BMW i5/5 Series. BMW's all-new 5 Series will be available in ICE, PHEV, and full EV configurations. The 8th generation of the large executive saloon, scheduled to arrive in 2023, will be the most advanced and ambitious yet. The i5 fully electric model will use the same CLAR platform as the combustion-engined version, with powertrain technology found in other electric BMWs for a range of around 300 miles. The plug-in versions will continue to be available with either 2.0-liter four-cylinder, pure petrol and diesel vehicles will get 48V mild hybrid technology to improve efficiency and performance. AIM versions of the ICE and EV models are also expected. Number 6. Cupra Tavascan. Cupra's ambitious plans following its separation from parent company Seat continue with the Tavascan. The sleek all-electric crossover was unveiled as a concept at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show and serves as the company's flagship. The Tavascan, which is based on the same MEB platform as the Born, has a distinctive coupe-style roof and is likely to retain the concept's S-ducts in the nose, which helps smooth airflow. When the Cupra debuts in 2023, lower-powered versions are expected to follow. Number 7. Cupra Terramar. Cupra will enter the mid-sized SUV market with a sporty new model called the Terramar in the coming years. When it arrives in 2023, the new offering will incorporate design cues from the Born hatchback and will compete with other crossovers such as the Alfa Romeo Tonale. The company's signature shark nose design, as well as beady-eyed headlights and copper-colored details, will be carried over. The Terramar will be built on an updated version of the Volkswagen Group's MQB platform, which has been designed specifically for plug-in hybrid powertrains. The new SUV is expected to be fully revealed next year before going on sale in 2023. Number 8. Cupra Urban Rebel. Cupra's radical Urban Rebel city car, billed as an affordable compact EV based on the VW Group's small MEB platform, will go into production in 2023. Cupra has unveiled a concept car that is said to be 95% representative of the final car, with deeply scalloped surfacing and aggressive lines in keeping with Cupra's sporty image. When it is released, the Urban Rebel will be equipped with a single front-mounted electric motor and will have a range of approximately 270 miles. The interior of the production car will not resemble that of the concept, but expect a driver-focused cabin and infotainment technology borrowed from other VW Group vehicles. Number 9. Hyundai Ioniq 7. Buyers looking for a large premium all-electric SUV will fall head over heels for Hyundai's upcoming flagship. The imposing Ioniq 7, designed to sit above the current Santa Fe, is set to arrive in 2023. It offers the same relaxing lounge-like experience as the Ioniq 5 thanks to its 7-seat versatility and lavishly luxurious feel. With its distinctive LED lights and slab-sided styling, the massive SUV will undoubtedly stand out, while its eGMP underpinnings ensure cutting-edge technology. Because of advancements in battery development, a 100 kWh pack with a range of up to 400 miles is likely. A standard twin-motor setup for four-wheel drive security will also be included. Number 10. Kia EV4. Kia hit the ground running with its first bespoke electric car, the EV6, and the brand hopes to build on this success with a range of new EV models. Based on the Hyundai Kia Group's eGMP architecture, a fully electric crossover dubbed the EV4 is expected to join the lineup next year. With a shorter wheelbase than the EV6, the EV4 will be closer in size to the Sportage SUV, and a 77.4 kWh battery could provide over 300 miles of range. Dual-motor powertrains are expected to be at the top of the range, though Kia is likely to offer a lower-cost rear-wheel drive single-motor variant. Given the eGMP platform's 800-volt electronic architecture and 350 kilowatts rapid charging capability. That brings us to the end of this video. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.